Today we're going to unbox the CX robot. Your CX robot comes in this sturdy case that protects it from the outside world. Let's open it up. And here it is, the Swivl CX robot with accessories. Here's the robot with the CX logo. This particular model is the CX3 because it comes with 3 markers. Your kit also comes with a 3-port USB charging brick. In the right pocket, you have a bag with multiple cables. Let's open up the bag and inspect those cables. This is the iOS USB-C to Lightning cable. This is the marker charging cable that comes with the CX3 and CX5. This is the base charging cable. And finally, this is the Android USB-C to USB-C cable. In the left pouch, there's a bag with some accessories. Let's open it up. The Swivl comes with 3 shims. Right here we have the small and medium shims. The large shim is pre-installed on the robot. It also comes with this useful neck lanyard and marker clip. We recommend that you keep the primary marker in the marker clip. The markers come wrapped with protective plastic. There is a tab on the left of the marker where you can peel the protective plastic. So let's get to unwrapping. Next, we have our USB 3-port charging brick, so you can plug in your marker charging cable and your base charging cable. And here we have the star of the unboxing, the Swivl CX robot. Let's have a closer look. As you can see, there is a cradle for a marker and 2 buttons. On the back, we have a 1/4-inch standard tripod thread size for our optional floor stand. On the front of the robot, there is a sensor for the marker tracking. And on the back, we have 3 ports and 2 LED lights. This is the USB-C mobile device connection port. We also have a marker charge status LED, base charge status LED, expansion USB port, and a power port. It's a really simple design, and it looks great. At the bottom of the robot, you have some documentation that you should read. Fight the urge to throw them away because there is a warranty information card and a great quick start guide designed specifically for the CX robot. I'm going to show you where you should keep your primary marker. The marker can be charged in the cradle on the back of your robot. There are some metal contacts on the marker that you need to align with the pins on the robot, like this. We unboxed the Swivl CX robot, and now I want to show you how to put it all back together. I'll start with a USB 3-port charger and then the markers. Keep your Swivl CX safe and secure in the case for storage. Thank you for watching the Swivl CX unboxing.